Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to teach you how to make marigolds using crepe paper. The materials you'll need are orange crepe paper, or you could use yellow, scissors, and some string, preferably embroidery thread. But if you don't have embroidery thread, yarn or any other string should be fine. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your crepe paper and you're going to cut out approximately 12 to 14 inches of the crepe paper. Then you're going to get your crepe paper and you're going to do the zigzag fold. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a pair of scissors and you're going to trim off the edges carefully. And this is to form the petals for the flower. Be sure to do this to both sides. And once you're done, you're just going to unfold it. And it should look something like this. Then you're going to grab your strip of crepe paper that you just cut out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get your crepe paper and you're going to start scrunching it like this. And while you're scrunching it, you're going to be slowly turning it. Once you're done, you're going to compress the middle part. Then you're going to grab your string and you're going to cut off a small piece. Then you're going to tie a knot, not in the middle, but a little towards one of the sides. This is so that the shorter side serves as the center part of the flower, and the side that is bigger is going to serve as the outer part of the flower. Once you tie the knot, cut off any excess string. Afterwards, you're going to find the starting point from the longer side, and you're going to bring it towards the shorter side. You do this carefully. Once you have done that, you are finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make marigolds for Dia de Los Muertos. These marigolds can be used for any other crafts or for any other celebration that may use flowers. And leave a like on this video. And be sure to check out my other videos here on this channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.